Hi friends. So in one interview, they ask remove the duplicate using class. So we already saw that remove duplicate from the list, but now they change the questions. Nowadays they asking remove the class using remove the duplicate using class, and they can also ask normally you can remove the duplicate from list or something. So okay, so I have seen these questions, so that's why I'm using and showing. So what is the input for this one? See, this is the input string: 2 3 2 4 66 98 88 66 88, and output is the this one: 3 2 4 66 98 88. Okay, I will first run it. Yeah, it's okay. First I will debug and I will show you, then we'll check how class is working. Okay, so I have put a debugger here and we'll start debugging. So came into second. Why it came in second? Because init is a default constructor. In Python, the constructor is init. Init are this init. Okay, and interviewer will ask what is a constructor. Then you will tell it init is a constructor. Then they will ask what is the constructor and destructor. In Python, destructor is not in a code use. By default, compiler will call the destructor. Okay, so okay, next step. So it came to the list, and then we'll go to the list item one by one, and then come to they calling to the a, and come to variable self.a. have taken all the list value, and then go to object. Okay, that object assigned to the show definitions with x. Okay, and then it will come to the show definitions, and in that definition this u as a empty list variable where we can assign the unique value. Okay, now let's come to self.a. Self dot have that object, and the object have this value, list value, and then it will come to I u, and checking the value of I is present in u or not. Okay, and if it is present, then we'll go to the next step, and if it is not present, then it will what will do. If it is not present, then it will append the data. Okay, append the find element. So this loop will go to the till the end whatever list we have. Okay, and once it is complete, it will print the value with uh, remove the duplicate. Okay, okay, so I think it is too fast. We'll remove the some data and we'll do again. Suppose I remove some data from here, and we'll see what will the output. Okay, I will running again. So it's come definition, it's come string, it's come string, and calling the object. The object will go to the definition part. That part is show. Okay, now it will go one by one all the data, and it will finding the unique item and appending into the list. The list is u, and later we will print the u. Okay, see, so the unique is data,
remove duplicate using class. So in this data no duplicate is present. Now is 86, 98, 88. Okay, so thank you for watching.